Experiencing issues with T-Mobile text messages? You're not alone. Common problems include messages stuck in the outbox, automatic fallback from RCS to SMS, and retry failures. These issues often stem from network congestion, poor signal strength, or glitches within messaging apps like Google Messages. T-Mobile is actively addressing these concerns with network optimizations and app updates. The key is to understand how T-Mobile's messaging system works, SMS as the baseline, with RCS offering enhanced features when compatible. When RCS fails, messages revert to SMS, sometimes causing delays. To fix these issues, ensure you have a stable network connection, your messaging app is up to date, and check your APN settings should be fast.tmobile.com. To resolve T-Mobile text messaging problems, start with basic troubleshooting. Toggle airplane mode to reset your connection. Clear your messaging app's cache to remove temporary data that might cause issues. Ensure your SIM card is properly installed and seated correctly in the device. If RCS is enabled, make sure Wi-Fi calling is also active for proper functionality. For Outbox stucks, force close the messaging app and restart your device to clear the issue. Check if Google Messages is version 2025.08 or later, as it includes auto-retry algorithms. If problems persist, especially on older Android devices, use the My T-Mobile app for diagnostics. For RCS issues when messaging iPhone users, enable Send as SMS in iOS settings. As a last resort, contact T-Mobile support or consider using a third-party messaging app. Keep in mind, T-Mobile is piloting AI-driven fixes to predict and prevent issues, but manual troubleshooting is key for now.